confluence of two things, the daily resistance and the pivot point. And so for a professional trader, I can take this trade, when it gets there, I'm going to unload on somebody, and then I can maybe look for a signal and take it the other side. That's trading. How do we know on a day like today, Raymond, how do we know on an option expiration the market's not going to go anywhere? It's just because we're in a bearish day, it doesn't mean I can't buy cheap and sell dear. It means that I can and should not go long near resistance until proven otherwise. Would you all like to know what proven otherwise is defined as?
With this market, things changing from the morning to the afternoon, this is going to be the confidence to either go long in the morning and go short in the afternoon, go both ways, and feel good about it.
Thank you.
Hey Theo.
Hi.
Thanks for sharing with us today. Just let us know how you came to meet John and your experience so far with the Futures and Trading Traders programs.
Absolutely. I was with another trading group, and my account was doing very poorly. Paper account was doing very poorly. Met John. He spent an hour or so talking about the high close doji. That one concept alone changed my complete account, and it encouraged me to get more and more education, and that's why I'm here today.
He's very energetic. He keeps the crowd involved. He asks everyone questions and makes sure that they're participating. Overall, his material, if you've never read his books or taken a course, I would highly recommend you do it. After doing a lot of other courses, I found John Person, and I basically threw everything out, went back to the pivots, simplified my trading, and it's really great. My trading actually 100%.
The market, and I'll give you some ideas of how to look for opportunities, how to trade the market effectively, short-term, long-term, what I have to look for in market reversals, how to look for potential opportunities, and when it's best to do certain strategies.
I first met John a couple of years ago on a cruise in the Caribbean. I got a little bit interested in his methodologies. I went to a course in Las Vegas a year and a quarter ago and thought I was getting it right. This course has been amazing. I'm committed to the system now. I know it works. There's no doubt about it. You have to learn it, and you have to spend a lot of time spending time learning the system.
John keeps to the topic. He is very focused on what he is training, and he answers all questions. And if he doesn't answer the question during the class, he's always hanging around after class, and he is very knowledgeable.
Valuable information. I've been taking courses for 3 years now in options and stocks, and I just started in on Forex this year, and this is by far the very best course I've ever taken.
You're going to talk about that?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, great.
So I'll be able to apply what I learned immediately, and I'm sure it'll make me money.
Once we have the signal, how long does that signal last for, or how long did it take for the market to move?
Each time I've come, I've learned a little bit more. I've recently started using some of his software libraries through Genesis, and having used that and now seeing him here, I've learned more about how to use them. I would definitely recommend it. I find him useful in his information useful in how he talks about candlesticks and relationships